Another accessories which I bought yesterday, it's air pump. So it's very much essential for the bikers who keeps bike, because here in Sweden you don't find the shops where you can go and take air usually, so you need to have one handy at home. So this is also with the same brand, Crivit floor pump. So there are two types of pump actually. One is floor pump. If you see what do you mean by floor pump, so you can keep here and put your legs here. So this is what it is called, floor pump. And another variant which comes with a hand pump, like you can keep in the hand and then you can press. So this is, I think we have very good comfort in pumping it. So I'm unboxing it. You see, very nice soft handle with the grip. If you see here, you have grip. There is a manual in case if you need, you don't know how to pump. Good manual. So you have PDF online also. If you scan this barcode, you can see the PDF online. So here are the bars. So this is very good if you don't require all the time hanging, like falling down, so you can tie here. So it looks neat and clean. Just I will show you how to pump. So if you see this side, you have this nozzle, so you need to remove this. So if you see here, if you keep like this, so the moment if you see it goes like this here, and then it will stop, it will eject the airs which is inside, so you have to lock it immediately, or else it will eject all the airs which is inside the tires already, and then you have to lock it properly. Then if you go to this, you see here, it shows now the bars in the 3, so it's recommended to have in 4. So 40 for the front is fine, 40 and between 60. So I usually keep within 50, and most of the time you can see how much pressure it requires. So it will be somewhere in your tire written. So here if you see it says 40 bars. I'm not sure if you are able to see this. It is 58 psi. So here if you see, here the measurement is in bar and psi also. Do you see here? So the above one is bar. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So these are the bars, and below if you see, that is the psi. So 20 psi, 40, 60, 80, likewise. So this is the air pressure which is recommended here. Here if you see, and the behind wheel I want to show you. Yeah, if you see this one, if you see here, 40 bars maximum and 58 psi. So this is where you can see how much the bike requires the air, and accordingly you can pump it. So I hope you have clear understanding how to put air now, and if you want to remove, you can remove immediately and lock this. That's all.